So one feature that I really like in Word, and I've actually used quite a bit for my own personal use, is the tables feature. And what I've used this for is to make personal calendars that I can just print right here. Instead of having to go out and buy one, I can just literally make them for whatever month I want. And I've actually used them for the past couple months to make my calendars for my homework, my exams that are coming up, my appointments that I need to draw in there. So I'm going to show you how to use the tables feature right now. So I kind of like to do it manually, which just means you come up to this table and you can extend it to however many cells you want. But usually I just do about a 7 by 5. I'll show you 7 by 5 for now. So it gives you this table. You don't have to adjust anything. Everything's equal. But then if you want it to be longer, you just move it down however much you want. Let's get this all on one page. Then you just type in what you want. You can do the dates down here. All that, you just type all your information in. And what you can do is you can cell alignment. You can do any of these, align top left, align top center. So it just moves the number or whatever. Here's a word we can align. Well, it's aligned top right now, but if I want to align it center, it aligns it just like that. And I mean, you can highlight them all and do it all at the same time. But say I need another row and I've already done all of my table. I don't want to have to redo an entire table by clicking this again and just adding another row in there. So Word makes it easier where I can just click up here in a cell, hit table, insert in rows above, and it gives me a whole new row. But say I'm trying to add the month name in there with the year, I don't want all these grid lines in here going through my words. So what I'm able to do is hit table again, hit merge cells, and it takes all those lines. So now I can just type in a clean phrase up there without having to worry about it. So after I finish adding all my data, I can adjust, I can fill colors in however I want. I can add appointment dates right in here so I don't have to write them in. I mean, it's really what's nice about it, like being technologically worked, is that I can just add anything in I want in right now instead of having to go buy a calendar and write everything in that I need. So as I finish this, I move it to landscape so it'll all fit on one page and print it, and that's done. But another easier way that Word actually makes a lot easier for its user, it's kind of user-friendly, is it has this quick tables up in this header. And what it does is it gives you a list of pre-made tables that you can choose from. And what I like about this, like say I wanted this one, I click in there, and it has these shades of red. So if you're adding a lot of data, I mean, it's a lot easier to read. So say I want some more rows, you can do the same exact thing that you did manually. Columns to the right, columns or rows above. You can delete whatever you want if you need to delete some. Delete rows. You can merge them. You can do all the same thing that I just showed you previously. Let me see here. If you want to merge them, you highlight them. Merge cells. I mean, it's really user-friendly what Word has made with this. So you can type in all this data as well. And really, you don't have to do any of the filling, the coloring, anything like that, because it's all already pre-made, and they give you a bunch of not only different color schemes, but also designs. You can have this one. I want to see here. And you can see that's a lot different. This one's a lot different from this one. Like, it has different columns, different shades, different ways they're shaded. So Word actually makes it really user-friendly. It's pretty basic, actually, what you can do with this. It actually comes in really good handy, not only for like just making calendars, but any kind of tables. Like I use it for stats homework as well. Anything like that, I mean, it really comes in handy, and it's really user-friendly. So that's probably my favorite feature about the Word documents that I've learned so far.